Hello friends, next replacement is LRU, least recently used page replacement algorithm. Okay, so what is that LRU concept? Page that has not been used for the longest period of time. You have to replace the page. Okay, you have to replace the page that has not been used for the longest period of time. This approach is the least recently used algorithm. Clear, no? Okay, let's see, take an example. So this is the reference string. Okay, this one is the reference string. Okay, so CPU demands these many pages. Okay, to execute. So RAM capacity is only to allocate maximum 3 pages. Okay, so first initially the RAM is always free. Okay, when first page come, that allocates space to first page. Next second page come, it allocates in next page. Next third page allocates here. Okay, after that next page is 2. Okay, so here to execute this page 2 there is no space. Okay, so need to exchange between RAM and disk. Okay, you have to exchange it. Okay, so which one you have to exchange now? Okay, so here in LRU, least recently used. Okay, so which one is least recently used? See here, among these three 701. Okay, this is most recently used. 1 is most recently used. Okay, 7 is least recently used. So in place of 7 you have to replace 2. We have no. Okay, like this. Next page is page 0. So page 0 is already present here, so no replacement. Next 3 here. Okay, so CPU demand page 3. Okay, so here page 3 is not present here, you need a replacement. Okay, so which one you have to replace? Okay, so here 0 is most recently used, correct? No. Okay, then 1 is the least recently used. Clear? No, 0 is most recently used, 1 is the most least recently used. So in place of 1 you have to place 3. Clear? No. Next 0. Okay, page 0 is already present here, so no replacement. Okay, next 4. Okay, 4 is not present here, so you need a replacement. So where you have to replace? Okay, so this is most recently used. Okay, so 2 is least recently used, so in place of 2 you have to replace 4. Clear? No. Okay, next page 2 demands. Okay, so which one you have to replace? Okay, this is most recently used, this one is least recently used, so in place of 3 2 you have to place. Clear? No. Next page is 3, where you replace? This is most recently, this is least recently, in place of 0 3. Clear? No, like this. So in place of then 0, so where you replace 0, which is this one is least recently, most recently, this was least recently, so in place of 4 0, like this. 3 and 2 is present here, so no replacement. Next for 1 you have 2 most recently used, so 0 is least recently used, in place of 0 1. Next 2 is present here, so no replacement. Next 0 0, this is most recently used and this one is least recently used, so in place of 3. Okay, okay, so here 0 to 1, no. Okay, so which is 2 is the most least recently, no, 2 is the most recently, 2 is the least recently. Okay, in place of 2 you have to write 0 here. Next 1 is present here, no problem. Then when you want to place 7, we have to place 7. Okay, 1 0 2, 1 is the most recently, 2 is the least recently, in place of 2 7. Next 0 and 1 is already present, so then no replacement. So clear? No. Okay, thank you.